Let us draw an equilateral triangle without using a scale. For that purpose, we just take a rectangular strip of paper and we fold it into two equal parts. So we have a rectangular strip of paper and we fold it into two equal parts. Now, after folding it into two equal parts, let's take one of the edge of the paper, this vertex, and we keep this vertex on this line which divides the rectangle into two equal parts and get a triangle. So we get a triangle. Let's do the same thing with the other vertex. We have the second vertex here. We keep this vertex on the line that divides the rectangle into two equal parts, but at the same time we maintain that we want a triangle with this as one of the vertex. So we got a triangle once again. Now we observe that we have another triangle here, that is an equilateral triangle. So let's fold it, and again we fold it along this ridge. So we observe two equilateral triangle. So we fold it again, and again we fold it. Ultimately, what we have is an equilateral triangle. Now let's draw that equilateral triangle on our copy. For that purpose, of course, we need a pencil. Yeah.